Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. It is Tuesday, March 24th, 2026. Today I ended up taking one singular trade. It was a really tiny short scalp. Ended up making $2,854.72 across all my accounts. And let's kind of just run through what I wanted to see coming into the day. So let's go to NQ here. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. So coming into the day, I was actually leaning more bullish bias. Now, let me tell you why. If we take a look at the 15-minute here, or some sort of higher time frame, we can tell that we're inside of this huge 4-hour bullish for value gap, right? We have this huge 4-hour bullish for value gap on the 4-hour time frame. And over the past last night and this morning, overnight session and pre-market, we have been generating all of this buy side liquidity, right? We have had no manipulation leg, and we have just been generating all of this buy side liquidity above us. And at this point in time, I can't look to take a short where market is. I could take a short internally, but right now I am more likely looking to take a long. So what I wanted to see coming into market open was I wanted to see either this internal low get taken, or we come down, have one more internal manipulation leg, and then look to go higher, look to take a long down here, right? At market open, let me go back to MNQ here. At market open, we end up taking this internal low, and then at market open, we end up not closing above this change. So I didn't end up taking this, but this was the model that I wanted to see. This was everything that I wanted to see, right? We just unfortunately did not end up closing above that change, so I ended up just sitting and waiting. And then on the very next candle, we pump up straight to the relative equal highs. However, we can still go higher. There could still be a model to go higher. But this was also an unfilled 15-minute right here, right? So I wanted to see the reaction of what market was going to do, right? We obviously have an incredibly bearish reaction to the 15-minute, right? So we're respecting this 15-minute, and I want to wait for a close below this change. Now, on this candle right here, bro, I entered short, and right here, it was right here 1 second before it closed. It was right here below this change of the state at the very last second, literally the last millisecond. As it closed above, which is just so unfortunate. So technically I didn't take this on the close of the change of the state, which is super unfortunate, but it literally wicked up a second before the candle closed. So just super unfortunate, but ended up just targeting 1-to-1 here. Ended up just targeting 1-to-1, and then on the very right here, once we get below that down close candle, I did move my stop to this low, mitigating risk, and then obviously we ended up getting my break-even point hit, move my stop to break-even, and then my take profit on the very next candle ended up getting hit. So that was the trade that I ended up taking today. Very simple, just a little short scalp, took my piece of the pie, and I got the fuck off the charts. Do not want to put any more risk on the table. But yeah, very short video, very simple. This was the trade that I ended up taking today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys caught a dub today as well. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one.